Good morning viewers, welcome back again to another video. In this episode we are going to be focusing on the front suspension on this car. As you guys know, I've owned this car for about 13 years or so now, and I've experiencing a clunking noise that is intermittently happening every time I went to uneven roads or even speed bumps. So in this video we are going to be rectifying what is the problem with my front suspension. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and do the work. And so this is a very common symptoms for a car like this. If you own your car for more than 10 years, you will experience this type of clunking suspension noise. Also, depending on where you live, your road conditions, when you drive, whether it has a lot of potholes or speed bumps, it may wear out your suspension components even earlier. Okay guys, so right in front of me, as you guys can see, we have the complete repair kit for the front suspension. This is for the front suspension bearings, and this one is the replacement for the bump stops, and most importantly is this part right here, the top hat, the top strut mount for the suspension. Okay. And let us get a closer detail of this replacement part from F1 Shark suspension parts. Alright, so without further ado, let's do the work. (23mm socket, 21mm socket, 14mm socket.
tarik. Nah, diganti karet ini.
And that is the wrap for today's video, guys. Also, a big thank you for F1 Shock Suspension for supplying all the necessary parts for this repair. If you guys are in the need to repair your car suspension, please do not hesitate to check them out on their website or online marketplace. They have an array lineup of suspension replacement parts to suit your car. And just like that, the job is complete. I hope you guys find this video useful. Please don't forget to support this channel by like, share and subscribe. And I will see you again on the next video. Peace.